In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Google Gemini AI app on your Windows computer. In just a few minutes, you'll have this handy tool ready to use, and I'll walk you through each step in a clear and concise manner. Let's dive in. First things first, let's visit the Gemini app's website. This will be your starting point for downloading the app to your device. Fire up your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to move to the next step. Now look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon. Give it a click. This menu is home to various options that will help you manipulate the web page you're on. It's essential to become familiar with these options as they can be helpful for future tasks too. After clicking the icon, it's time to explore the menu options. Hover your cursor over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. This segment offers a range of choices related to how you can interact with the page. Take a moment to recognize what each of these options does, as this knowledge could be beneficial beyond just this installation process. From this menu, select the option to Create a Shortcut. This action is crucial as it effectively allows you to install the Gemini app on your Windows operating system. By creating this shortcut, you're essentially adding the app to your desktop environment, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Once you've completed the installation process, you might wonder where to find your new app. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Simply open your Windows Start menu, which serves as a comprehensive directory of all your applications. Here, you should see the newly installed Gemini app. This step signifies the successful addition of the app to your software collection. And there you have it, your very own introduction to downloading and installing the Google Gemini AI app on a Windows machine. By following these steps, you ensure that the app is readily available for use whenever you need it, right from your Start menu. Remember, having a reliable internet connection is essential throughout this process, as it supports seamless downloads and installations. I hope this guide has been informative and that you feel confident in navigating these steps on your own. With practice, you'll find that managing app installations and utilizing your computer's resources becomes a more intuitive process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips to enhance your digital experience.